Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. Ultimate means it has the 6.2 liter HD surround vision, virtual backup camera, and a bunch of other amazing features. White Frost Tri-Coat is the color name on this specific one. See if I can pull up flashlight here, and you can kind of see the metallic flake in there. Dark walnut over dark ash gray. As much as they say it's gray, it definitely looks blue in person, or a very bluish gray. Do have some brown seat belts, which is nice. I always love when they connect the seat belts to the design theme of the interior. Of course, you have your 6-way adjustable power tailgate. Do love how on the Denalis the exhaust is just like the Trail Bosses. You also have your step side bumper. Boop. That's where the diesel exhaust fluid would go if this were equipped with the diesel engine. Oh, another great feature of these Denalis is your side steps. You can just kick them and they extend so it becomes a step side. So say you have a mini Tonka truck right here, you can go ahead and pick that up. Just absolutely love the interior on these trucks. This is probably the third or fourth one I've driven today. It just never gets old. Power running boards. Automatic windows. Huge center console. Yeah, you can definitely see the brown seat belts here. Matches perfectly with the brown that's in the dash. Doesn't cost much more to do that, but man, is it appreciated when manufacturers do it. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. Tilt telescope wheel. Go ahead and put it in tow haul mode. You know what? For the acceleration, let's do sport. I mean, as stated in my other Denali reviews, this is still the original luxury truck. And with the 6.2, oh, it might just be my favorite. Do have auto start stop. You can tell when these are fully loaded, all the buttons are filled out. These aren't blank switches, these are actually charging ports. For 2019, and actually I think it was for 2020, the Denali now comes with rewinding satellite radio. Definitely a feature I have come to love. Have it in my personal car, and makes making these videos, driving these cars, a lot better when, you know, I'm filming. If I see a song on the radio that I want to listen to on the drive back, I can go ahead, just rewind. Likewise, you can also pause where you are at in a song. If you have to talk to your passenger, you don't have to miss out on any of your song. Oh, excuse me. To talk to your passenger. Also, rule number 1 of filming these videos: don't eat turkey over lunch. You will feel tired. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.